So hello everyone, myself Pirabrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video I'll be discussing about this Mindtree of Campus Drive 2022. It's especially for the freshers. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. And also you can join our Telegram channel for more job updates or the off campus details or the interview preparation videos or the guides, etc. And so if you are not eligible for this off campus, not in big deal. I have shared more than 10 off campus or the 10 other off campus drive details as well in the description of this video. Go through the other job details and apply for the other active job profiles especially. Please check the description of this video, apply for the other companies. So now let's discuss. They're hiring for the uh, junior engineering of campus drive it is, and it is especially for the 2020 and 2021 graduates. That means 2022 batch or the current batch candidates are not eligible, unfortunately. So not a big I have already told you, if you belong to this year of pass out or the batch candidate, and if you are not eligible, then check the other off campus drive details as well. It will be applicable for you. 2021 graduate only belong to the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branch candidates are eligible. MCA and the full-time or the regular courses. That means BE, BTech, any branch candidate can apply. That means mechanical, civil, electrical and the other computer science background candidates are also eligible. And the application deadline is January 30th January 2022 4 p.m. That means 4 days left, so we are little bit late, but not a big deal. You can apply. Currently it is also live. So now let's discuss about the job description. So if you are willing to know more about this job description, simply click on this click here. Then you will be able to know more about this details of the job description. So this is the about the cloud and infrastructure CI role. I guess it is the same CI role. Okay, yeah. So they are hiring for this role only, or known as the IMTS role. So now let's discuss about this criteria. So you will be getting stipend of 21,000 rupees per month during this program, and the compensation will be 2,9700, and that designation is IMTS engineer. So I was telling about this cloud and infrastructure services, formerly known as IMTS role. There will be a service agreement of 2 years, I guess, because generally Mindtree has 2 years of bond, but I don't know what is the notice service agreement for this profile or specific job role. So this is the competency or the band will be getting C band. So I don't know whether you are ever of this band, but there are many bands available like A, B, C, D, etc. This is the category of C. Then the promotion and the increment will be based on this HR policy. So this is a learning program. First there will be at the Mindtree, these are the learning program you have to go through, and the other skills you will be or the competencies you will be acquiring are the operating system knowledge, Windows and Linux and database MySQL and MS SQL and the Oracle, etc. Cloud platform like AWS and the Microsoft Azure, and data center knowledge like networking, backup storage and other ITIL basic concepts, governments and the data protection, etc. These are like various competencies you will be having once you have joined this role. So if you are willing to apply for this role, simply click on the click here, then you will be able to apply. But before moving towards the application process, just I wanted to inform you, or like kind of advice you can say. As you have already seen that there is a bond. So whenever you are being shortlisted for this profile and receiving this offer letter, so please go through the offer letter thoroughly and understand about your roles and responsibilities. If it is suitable for you, then only accept this offer letter, because I have not researched about this role, because I didn't get that much of time to research about this role. But otherwise I would have like explained about all these like role and how it works and all. So if you are being shortlisted, just go through the offer letter properly, and if you have time, like just take the screenshot of the responsibilities, not the whole offer letter, and share with us in future. Just the screenshot of the responsibilities and all, that's it. Not then your name and all, these are the confidential documents. No need to share all these things, just that job description and other things. So if you are comfortable with that, so now let's discuss about this application process. This is the Google form. You need to fill up your title, Mr., Mrs., your first name, last name. These are the like mandatory fields. Enter your email address, mobile number, enter your date of birth, enter your university registration number, your qualification, then submit. That's it. Nothing fancy. So once you have done with the application process, you will be receiving the invitation through your registered email address. So make sure you have used here the proper or the like frequently used the email address. Make sure you use. And so I hope you all are able to understand about this roles and responsibilities about the application process. So I will be sharing this link in the description of this video, and also this Google form, so that directly you can access this application. Yeah, one more thing, you'll be, if you see here, there will be assessment, and they will be sending you to your registered email address the link of the assessment. So I hope you all are able to understand. So if you like this video, please make sure you share this video with other job seekers as well. So thank you for watching, and all the best with your job search.